If your car doesn't come with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, upgrading the system can be expensive. But the good news is that portable CarPlay screens make it easy to add smart features to almost any vehicle. These devices give you navigation, music streaming, hands-free calls, voice control, and even built-in dash cams without replacing your factory stereo. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best CarPlay screens in 2026 based on display quality, connectivity, dash cam features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's start. Number 1. CarPlay Screen for car tablet with a 10.26-inch wireless display. At number 1, we have the CarPlay Screen for car tablet with a 10.26-inch wireless display. This model stands out because it combines a large touchscreen, smart connectivity, and a powerful 3-channel dashcam system. The 10.26-inch display offers a wide and clear view, making it perfect for navigation apps like Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps. One of the biggest highlights is the 4K front camera combined with additional rear and interior cameras, which provides 3-channel recording for maximum driving security. It also features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your smartphone instantly for music, calls, messages, and voice assistant control. With Bluetooth 5.2, FM transmission, built-in stereo, and 32 GB storage, this screen becomes a complete smart dashboard upgrade for almost any vehicle. Overall, if you want the most advanced and feature-rich CarPlay screen, this is one of the best options available in 2026. Pros: large 10.26-inch display, 4K 3-channel dashcam system, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in storage, and Bluetooth 5.2. Number 2. Portable CarPlay screen with 9-inch in-cell touchscreen. At number 2, we have the portable CarPlay screen with a 9-inch in-cell touchscreen. This model is designed to deliver smooth performance and strong connectivity in a compact size. The in-cell touchscreen technology provides better responsiveness and clearer visuals compared to many standard displays. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to use navigation apps, stream music, send messages, and make hands-free calls. You also get a 4K dash cam and a 1080p backup camera, making it a great option for drivers who want both entertainment and safety features. Additional features include Bluetooth 5.3, mirror link, voice control, GPS navigation, FM transmission, and ensuring compatibility with most vehicles. Overall, this offers a strong balance of performance, safety features, and affordability. Pros: responsive in-cell touchscreen, 4K dashcam included, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, voice control, and mirror link support. Number 3. LAMTTO upgraded 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. At number 3, we have the LAMTTO upgraded 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. This model is unique because it's not just a CarPlay display, it's also an entertainment system. The large 11-inch screen makes watching content comfortable, and it supports apps like YouTube and Netflix, making it great for passengers during long trips. It works with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you easy access to navigation, music streaming, voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. The system also includes a backup camera and built-in navigation features, making driving safer and easier. Compatibility is excellent as well, supporting iOS 10 Plus and Android 11 Plus devices. Overall, if you want a CarPlay screen that doubles as a multimedia entertainment center, this is a fantastic option. Pros: large 11-inch display, supports YouTube and Netflix, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in entertainment features. Number 4. 8.1-inch HD CarPlay screen with a 2K dashcam. At number 4, we have the 8.1-inch HD CarPlay screen with a built-in 2K dashcam. This device is perfect for drivers who prefer a compact and clean setup without a large display. The HD touchscreen delivers clear visuals while remaining small enough to fit comfortably on most dashboards. It features a 2K front dashcam and a 1080p backup camera, which helps capture driving footage and assists during parking. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, MirrorLink, Bluetooth connectivity, GPS navigation, aux output, and voice control. Overall, it's a compact but powerful smart display for everyday driving. Pros: compact design, 2K front dash cam, easy installation, wide compatibility. Number 5. Wireless Apple CarPlay screen with a 10.26-inch portable touchscreen. This device offers great value for drivers who want a large display and essential smart features without spending too much. The 10.26-inch screen makes navigation and media controls easy to see while driving. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you access to music, calls, navigation, and voice commands directly from your phone. You also get a built-in 4K dash cam, backup camera support, MirrorLink, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, aux output, and FM transmission. Overall, it's a solid, budget-friendly CarPlay screen with a large display and useful driving features. Pros: large display, affordable price, wireless connectivity, built-in dash cam. So that was our list of the top 5 best CarPlay screens in 2026. If you want the most advanced system, the CarPlay tablet with the 3-channel 4K dash cam is the best overall choice. If you prefer entertainment features and a bigger display, the LAMTTO 11-inch screen is a fantastic option. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly portable CarPlay screen, the wireless 10.26-inch model is definitely worth considering. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.